SpongeBob pull up on?
Yes.
Does he not pee-pee in the potty yet?
He pee-pee in the potty.
He does?
Yes.
What is SpongeBob doing?
He pull up on. Papa, you really pull up down.
Who got you SpongeBob?
It's Jackie.
No, did Poppy get you SpongeBob?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. What you doing with SpongeBob?
I cannot hear him.
You're gonna get him.
No, I can't him.
You carry him?
Yes.
Where are you carrying him to?
Tell us, so SpongeBob, put his hands where it's nice and warm.
What does Poppy do with his hands?
Bye.
Bye.
See you later. Jalen on TV right here.
Huh?
Let me see you dance with SpongeBob like Bean.
All right. Good jobby.
Where'd you
I
go?
want to be on the phone.
Say Bobby.
Boopy, boopy.
Say SpongeBob SquarePants.
I want to see.
Put that over on TV and then dance. Ready?
Dance with me. Look at Bobby.
Right here. Dance. Like this.
Shake your booty.
What you got, Meemaw?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hey.
Look at Poppy. Shake that booty. You're not shaking your booty? Okay, dance with SpongeBob. SpongeBob don't want to dance? Okay.
I pressed this